Igbo names and their meaning. Igbo names and their meaning. Chukwuebuka, God is great. Amarachi, God's grace or God's mercy. Chimamanda, my God will not fail. Chidera, what God has written. Chidebere, God is merciful. Ijeoma, good journey. Kamsiriochukwu, as I asked from God. Obinna, Father's heart. Ngozi, blessing. Azubike, the past is your strength. Ifeanyichukwu, nothing is beyond God. Onyekachukwu, who is greater than God. Chiamaka, God is good. Akunna, father's wealth. Adaku, daughter of wealth. Chibundu, God is life. Chizitere, God sent. Kosarachi, talk to God. Ife merunamma, beautifully made. Kambili, let me live. Shetashi, remember God. Eberechukwu, God's mercy. Eziafakego, a good name is better than riches. Daberechi, trust in God. Chiamaka, God is good. Chisimdi, God said I will live. Ka ijide ya ebe a, chebi m na agba nke abụọ.